know what me actually in I know circular buses no. Okay. Because baby I bet drop no so am kai why? Baby I bet drop no so am kai. And our fans no. Then the host no yen setting in our camera.
Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and this is the Hill project that we're building for one of our clients. And at the moment, we are at the decking phase where we already done with the installation of the iron rods, as you can see. So we did the plumbing works, and we are about to begin with the electrical. So you can see the pipes, over there. The green one is for the water flowing, which will come into the apartment. The gray one is going to be between electricals and, the pipes, little of the pipe works. So they've already done the plumbing work for the sewage and also the one that will take the water from the roof down. Everything is in place. And gradually we are making progress, with this project. So today's video is actually about the concrete casting, and without not wasting much time, you can see they've already done, I would say, half of it. But then the rain also came, you know it was raining, so it was a little bit slow with the work. So this is actually the back of the house, which is, you see from here, it is like the ground level, but if you are at the front of the house, this is actually the second level, and we are working on the third level, which will be coming up, I think, by the end of the month. We're going to put some blocks there, then you're going to see the whole structure, then we're going to the roof. So we're making progress. We started this project, I think, February this year, 2023, and it's already the 8th month, and we've done so much because this is a huge project. It is a 3-bedroom apartment, and it's like 4 of them, with a car park. Like I said, it has a basement, so the car park is underneath of the whole structure. And looking from the view from the back, you see how nice, we've done and how far we've gone. Like I always say, it's on a hill project, and sometimes bringing materials on site is a little bit challenge. So this is just by the way, to give you an idea how sometimes what the guys go through, and this will take like a long time, which will go into your labor work. So yeah, these are some of the challenges, but this is just to show you guys you know how the work goes. Sometimes they tell you, hey, today we did a concrete casting, it's done, beautiful done, but the things that goes, into it, to get it done, I've experienced it myself. When I did my concrete casting the first time, I was like, seriously, if there's another concrete casting, I'm not showing up on site. Because the moment they see you there, then they expect you to make things happen, which will really go into your labor cost. But then if you are not there, they just manage to do their own thing. So that's one advantage of not being there. Sometimes, but sometimes also it's nice to be there to make sure that things go the way you like it. But I know my team and I believe in this team, so it's not really necessary to be there. So yeah, so they were able to get it, place it at the right place, and they have their ratio. So work begins, and they are doing their best with the concrete casting. It's a very nice project. Very nice project. I have been there myself. We went there when before we took the contract. We went there to see how the place looks. So seeing how the project was 8 months ago, and looking at where it is now, and it's even the second level, going to the third level is amazing. And I'm very proud of the team because there's not the only project that we've done in less than a year or a month or in 10 months. The Tema project also was 9 months, under 9 months. It was active work. Like I said, we always have a strategy we use, with construction. The only thing we need from you is to be honest. Tell us what you have, what you can, what you cannot. Then we know how to manage and make sure that we come up with, a strategy that will help you, that will not stress you that much, with your project, because that's more important. You are building to live in your house, not to be stressing. So, that's how far it's going, and yeah. So we started with a staircase first, casted it, and then we continue with it. So getting to the end of today's video, you'll see, because we did it in 2 days. Like I said, it was raining, so we did it in 2 days. So getting to the end of the video, you see, which will be the second day, you see the staircase dry a little bit, and then you see the difference and how it looks on the surface. It was a beautiful job done. So make sure you stay at the end of today's episode to see the results of what the guys have done. Amazing job done. So this is how the house will look like when completed. It has 3 floors, which is the basement, the ground floor, and then the first floor, or some would say the second level, which you see on your screen. So that's the front view for you. So I would say we are at we are halfway, when it comes to the structure building of this project, the hill project. You can check out the views. It comes with very nice location. So the guys are, on it, working, doing their best. So if you have a project that you want to start, if you want a drawing, you want a team to help you complete or start your project for you, either commercial or residential, we are here to help you with drawing, throughout the journey. So just send me email right there, and then I always do, I'll just forward you to the right people. If you have a personal, if you want to discuss one or two things personally with me, also that's my WhatsApp there. You can send me a WhatsApp, and then I will let you know when we can have that conversation, and we see how best we can help each other. So the team is available for you with anything. We are here to assist you. So just send us email, and we will just take it from there, and then we see how best we can help you. You know, we are all different people, so we all have different way of or ways that we want to build our house. Some would like to do it fast and get it done, and some also like to take their time and build step by step. So let us know, what you are capable of. The most important thing is that you don't go through stress whilst building. That's for me. That's the goal here. You know, it doesn't matter how long it will take you build your house, whether 5 years, 10 years, but you have to enjoy the whole process. You don't have to go through stress whilst building your dream house. Then it gets to a point where you don't even care anymore. You just want things to be done, and It doesn't care what goes into the project or how you want it to be. You just want to get it done and get it out of the way. And that's not the way to build. You take your time and do it the way you want it, because it's something which is going to stay there for maybe 100 years, 200 years, or even 300 years. So you have to do it and make a statement. So just get in touch with us. Let's start talking and let's see how best we can help each other.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So like I said earlier in the video, we did this in 2 days because of the disturbance of the rain. So the first day you see what we did, you see the surface, the color difference. There's a very rich concrete. So like I said, we did it in 2 days and the job was done. Later in the video, you see the whole casting, how it looks at the surface. So that was a good job done by the guys. Very proud of them. And this is how it looks after concrete casting the next day. So we just have to wait for 21 days, normally 21 days, then we can take the whole wood and stuff out. But I think after 14 days we can start with the block work at this section. Then the guys will focus, the carpenter and the steel benders will focus at the left hand side of the building, which they will also start with the decking there so that we can also cast that section. So coming in a week is going to be very busy on the site. You have the whole team here. The masons are laying the blocks, the carpenter is taking out the wood and making a new decking at the left hand side. The steel benders are also there doing their thing, and it's going to be very active at the site. And I think that will be the last decking of this project. Then we go for the last block works and then the roofing. Then we are done with the structure work, and it's going to be less than 10 months, of course, for sure. So that's why you see the iron rods protruding. And we didn't do the full decking here because we have to connect the two buildings together. And that's the strategy, to save costs and also have the whole team at the same site. So just imagine you have the carpenter, the mason, the electrician, everybody on site at the same time working. What can possibly go wrong? That's the management, that's the teamwork, so that when something goes wrong, you can just call the steel bender to just straighten it, and it is inclusive with the day work. So you don't have to go and call him separate day to come and fix it and charge new price. No, everybody is at the site. If something goes wrong, you are already there to fix it. You don't need to make a new appointment to come and charge a new fee. So these are some of the things we watch and we use to manage the project. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share as well. And I'll see you in my next episode. Like it. We